Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate 2 WhatsApp accounts and apps on the Honor X6. So if you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with separated contacts, numbers, message of course, I'm gonna show you the 2 tricks for that. The first one is by opening the Play Store, then look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app, look for the WhatsApp Business. So just tap on it, install, and by this way I have 2 WhatsApp apps on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them and install. Okay, after installation, open it, click agree and continue, and allow permission to the files. Now just tap on the WhatsApp and hold for the starting automatically, and now we are creating the second WhatsApp account and app on our phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.